Test, test, test. Good morning, traders. Super excited you guys are here today. Didn't take a trade today, which is very, very rare. So just decided I would talk a little bit about the broker I'm at and have been with for now a year and a half. Been here a long time, and it was the best decision I ever made. So that's when I became affiliated with them. Now, my first video I did on them, I was so excited to be at this broker, CapitalMEG. I did a video on them without even being affiliated. I'll put that video in the description below so you can go back and watch that. That's got a lot of hits on it. I made that video without being affiliated, but I called CapitalMEG because I knew I was getting a lot of people signed up over there because I was so excited about them. And I said, listen, I'm helping you guys out. Is there any way we can help out the traders that are coming here? Get them better commission rates, somehow be partnered and help the guys out coming. And they said absolutely. And we formed a little contract and we got rolling. So that's what it is, traders. When I started out trading, round trip trades were $20. $20. Now, I don't know about you, but $20 makes me holla. That was a lot of money, especially trading small share size. And so I really wanted to help, the smaller traders out to alleviate that road as best as possible, because the road I went on, it was not fun as far as fees went. And so everything I can do to help out, I love doing. Absolutely love doing to help the next guy out in line. And so that's when I talked to CapitalMEG. I said, all right, y'all's commissions are $3.95. Let's cut those by 25% for people who sign up under my account. So now we got them to $2.95. That's only under 1,000 shares. The flat rate, if you trade over 1,000, it was another 25%, so it was 0.005 instead of 0.007. And the more people we sign up, guys, the more negotiating room we have. So the more people we sign up under the promo code CMEG Kevin to them, that's going to be in the description below. You will get that best rate. But the thing is, we've got a lot of people over there. I've helped get a lot of people over there. And the more we get, the better deal I'm going to be able to structure for you guys. So there will certainly be more things in the future to come. And that's just the way it is. You get more incentive. You get more like leverage to, work with the company when we get more people to sign up. And I'm really proud of that, guys. I'm really excited for you because when I started, it was tough. I mean, there were so many barriers to entry when starting out, especially commissions. It was just hard to even get going, hard to even learn it, because experience is your best teacher in the market. But if you can't experience the market with real money, because it costs so much, you lose more in commissions than you do on a trade, you're not learning a whole lot. So this way, we're able to equip you guys with the right tools to be successful. Now, just because this broker is offshore is not the reason I went over there. I went over there because of many different reasons I want to go into with you guys. Honestly, if there was another broker that came about in the United States, I would never get rid of my CMEG account. If you're a day trader, I believe you need to have shop open at many different brokers anyways. And CMEG certainly needs to be one of those brokers because they have a vast amount of shorts available. They got lightning fast executions, a ton of different routes to choose from, the best of the best. Of course, they have the best platforms, DOS and Sterling. We'll go over those. But one of the things I've been most impressed with CMEG is whenever I call them, they always answer the phone and they're always willing to help the traders out. It's not just a money grab for them. I mean, they are really invested in the people who come over there. So they have a listening ear. They really do, because one thing that they added to their platform is a short locate feature. It's something when they opened up, a lot of people were asking for, and they said, this is what the people want, let's give it to them. They said people want cheaper commissions, they gave it to them. People wanted the Sterling platform when they didn't have it, they gave it to them. People wanted to be able to trade different types of markets like the futures and CFDs and Forex and bonds and options, and they've given it all to you. And the cool thing with CMEG is, yes, they're located offshore, but when people mention that and mention they're fearful to send money offshore, I mean, guys, I've never heard one complaint about CMEG, and neither have I heard a complaint about them being offshore. I mean, they are completely professional, very reputable company. I know the COO personally. He's a great guy. He's been on Wall Street and in this business for decades and is always very helpful when I talk to him. Everything about CapitalMEG it's just been great. I've sent hundreds of guys over here. I've never ever heard a complaint about withdrawals, about sending money over to an offshore broker. I know those are some fears when people, send money offshore. There's absolutely nothing to fear with that. CapitalMEG has been very reputable and very good. I highly recommend this. Highly recommend it to not only small day traders, but traders with big accounts. You can just send money over here to make sure you got shorts. I know a lot of guys that do that. They'll have many different brokerage accounts open just to make sure, they have shorts of a stock, they got the locates. If you treat this as a business, it's only smart to do. So let's go ahead and go over, some of the things over here like pricing and trading platforms. So they really tailor this to anybody. If you're an active day trader, that's who we are, or you're just an investor who needs flexibility. This is all optimized for you. This is for standard accounts only. It just comes with the equity, level 1, watch list, scanner, that sort of things, just $25 a month. Then they got Sterling for you. That's going to be $99 a month. And, all this is negated if you just have a certain amount of commissions generated per month. If you're an active day trader, this is something you're really not going to have to worry about. The fees, that'll be taken off monthly. And then, of course, you got DOS. $115 a month. If you have a certain amount of commissions as well, that's taken off too. So you guys all know what DOS is. This is what most all the brokers use, even in the US. We're all familiar with this. You guys can try a free demo here. Try a free demo. Let's go to pricing, active account pricing. We'll go to equities. I think a lot of you guys will be trading equity. So here's the structure of the equity. So they got $3.95 a trade, up to 350,000 shares of monthly volume. You guys won't have to worry about that if you send them my code. That's in the description below. You'll always get the best rate here. You'll get the $2.95 and the 0.005 per share rate. You'll always get that. You won't have to worry about monthly volume there. 25% off of your trading commissions. That's huge, guys. Quick facts about them. They were actually established in 2013, but they've really been taken on off recently. I mean, lots and lots of people have been flooding over there just because of many different things. I mean, the pricing and the service, quality service. You can't beat that. Who we are, Capital Market Elite Group Limited, independent asset management firm that is customer-centric and results-driven. And I truly believe that. That's why I just told you guys. They're always focused on the customer, being the center. Very results-driven. They're always working to improve. Every time I go over there, talk to them, call them up, they're always working on something for you guys. So they established 2013, registered broker-dealer in Trinidad. The company aspires to be a leading global investment banking, securities, and investment management firm. So here's the deal, guys. I don't even really see CapitalMEG as an offshore broker just because I know its competition, and its competition is not the other offshore brokers just because they don't compare. I mean, they're just so far away from each other as far as quality service and pricing. And to wrap up the video, guys, I would have made this video despite being an affiliate or not. I made the first one when I wasn't an affiliate, and I'm making this one now just because a year and a half later, they are still rocking and rolling, and I believe you guys will be extremely happy over there. I want to be able to provide the best of the best for you guys as far as the tools, as far as lower commission rates. So the more we get over there, the better we're going to be able to do. So go ahead and send over that code, CapitalMEG Kevin, to them. That's going to be down in the description below. Email me if you guys have any questions, you need any help getting set up, or if you might be running over a speed bump or something, we'll get it taken care of. There's absolutely nothing to worry about. Super excited for you guys to go over to CapitalMEG. You're not going to regret it at all. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you all first thing tomorrow.